Hi, let's discuss exporting planar designs from the Planar Magnetics Designer tool in PI Expert. When you have successfully created and finished a planar design, the only remaining step is to export its Gerber files and set it out for fabrication. To do this, let's go to the menu and hover over Gerber files. Here we have two options: single set and panel of PCBs. The single set PCBs are generated so that each enclosure has a separate Gerber design file. To demonstrate, let's click OK, and then we can open the downloaded design file. As you can see, each PCB enclosure has a separate set of Gerber files, indicated by their file names. The other option, panel of PCBs, are generated so that all enclosures are arranged into a single PCB panel board. Here, we have the freedom to choose between 4 predefined panel dimensions, or we may also define a custom dimension. We may also define the spacing between the PCB enclosures as well as the keepout dimensions in the panel, which by default are 3 and 10 mm respectively. Note that this option is only available if all PCB enclosures in your design are identical in terms of insulation stack-up configurations. To demonstrate this, let's use the default selections and click OK. And then we'll open the design file. As you can see, each PCB enclosure is present, and the number of enclosures are maximized within one panel. Lastly, we also have two conventions for layer labeling: export with L1 on bottom and export with inverted layers. L1 on bottom is the PI Expert convention, where L1 corresponds to the bottommost layer, and layer numbers increment to the top in succession for each PCB enclosure. On the other hand, the export with inverted layers option is the standard manufacturer's convention, where L1 corresponds to the topmost layer and increments to the bottom in succession. When sending it for fabrication, we recommend that you select this export with inverted layers option to minimize confusion. This completes the planar design and export process for PI Expert's Magnetics Designer tool. For additional videos, more information, and to use our PI Expert software in your next design, please visit power.com.